Hi, I'm Brenda McGonigal, the play-for-pay girlfriend of the villain in Louis P. Mascolo's new novel, Too Decent to Die. Too Decent to Die is a compelling and atmospheric action crime novel whose main character, John Weller, is a frightening anti-hero whose descent into darkness is filled with complex emotions and heart-throbbing action as his evil plans unfold, tracked by an unrelenting private eye, both with trips to my bed. The book is a page-turning thriller that is action-packed and is filled with fascinating characters. Order it today at Amazon.com. Available in ebook, paperback, and hardbound. You won't be disappointed.